Hey guys, come on in because we're going to do a Starbucks dupe lemon cake, lemon pound cake, their loaf. Be so good with some lemon glaze on top. All right, first off, we're going to put in 3 eggs. And if you guys don't have a little holder like this and want one, let us know because Billy's wanting to make some more. We can make it a little bit bigger too if you want. But they're so handy. All right. Got 3 eggs in there and sugar. We're going to put in 1 cup of granulated sugar. Okay. Sour cream. I have a 1/3 cup. You know, sour cream goes good in breads like this. Pound cake, whatever it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the live yesterday. I love interacting with you. And if you miss it, we have them on Mondays at 12:30. This coming Monday is September 30th, and we are going to do apple crisp for 2. So that's going to be a real easy one. I will leave the ingredients on the community page so you can grab what you want and you can cook right along with us. Monday at 12:30. That'll be so much fun. We get all of us cooking together.
That would be fun.
We'll get you a little setup going here too. No comment?
I set up for what?
So you can cook along with me too.
Oh, yeah. I can't do it all.
Yeah. You don't do nothing on the live. Well, you do. You read me comments.
Yeah. I keep you up to date on comments.
Yeah, you keep me up to date. Because sometimes, you know, it just don't work right for me. One of these days.
Like yesterday?
Yeah, oh, it was terrible yesterday. But one of these days, maybe I'll get better. Maybe. All right, 1/2 cup of oil, whatever you want to use.
Oil?
Whatever you want to use. And mix that up a little bit. And I have some lemon juice here. I'm like, oh, what am I doing? Lemon juice, I have a 1/3 cup. Put that in. Then we're going to use some lemon extract. You know, I don't measure this stuff, but I probably should. Lots of lemon in that. And a little bit of vanilla. Because, you know, Billy says everything needs vanilla. Vanilla and nuts is his 2 things.
And lots of icing.
Yeah, and extra icing. He's been out in his shed trying to get the electric done still.
I got all the outlets and switches in.
Oh, look at that.
Just ready to run the main line in and tie it up.
And I'm not sure I'm going to be allowed in his kingdom. I'll have to have a special passcode or something to get in. All right. From here, now we're going to put our dry ingredients all in one, and then you mix those into that. So I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, Hudson cream, the best for us. But like I said, they're only in 4 states. Kentucky, Virginia, West Virginia, and Ohio. But you can probably get it online. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Get that out of there. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It's damp here today. My things, I've had them in these before I went and got a shower. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking or powder, soda.
We're getting rain from all the tropical storms in Florida.
Yeah, it's raining all week. So I had 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I got all that. So let's stir that up a little bit. I can see me doing more videos by myself.
Me too.
We're just gonna have to change the name of it.
That's okay.
No! You have to help. You know, look at me. Oh, what'd I do? I put the eggs in and I had my little bowl and forgot. I just now have to think, what did I do? But that was the only thing in the bowl, so if anything was in it, I could have got it out. Jeez. I even had it out.
Are you having a
I have one every day.
senior moment?
Every day. I said, I got my mind on other stuff and on that surgery, and I just I don't want it.
Yeah, we appreciate all your prayers for her surgery coming up.
At least with your shoulder, you can still walk around and do all that. Your knee, I'm kind of bound for a little bit. I mean, I can still do some walking. They want you to walk, but...
And what's that knee made out of? Is it plastic?
No, metal, some kind of metal.
Well, part of it's metal, but...
Yeah, and then the to replace your gel is plastic, she said. Okay, so that's it for the mix. We don't want to over-mix it. It'll be tough. And also, on my video yesterday of the peanut butter chocolate chip muffins, I said 1 cup of buttermilk, but it was 1.5. Sorry. I wrote that the description is in the, or the ingredients in the description box, so I didn't mislead you there, just by what I said. Okay.
She was having that senior moment yesterday.
You know, I have it every day. Things just don't work out for me.
She had everything turned around on the camera and couldn't get a full screen, so she had to do it straight up and down.
Who knows, you know? Okay, this is what I use.
Pray for her, guys.
Pray for him. He has to put up with me.
Yes, please.
Olive oil, I get it from Sam's Club. It says extra virgin olive oil. Let me spray it over the sink here.
But is it really?
Well,
That's what says it.
Would
We
they
got
lie
to take
to
it at
you?
your word.
Did they lie to you? I know it's not good for you, but... All right, so we're going to pour this into our loaf pan. We watched the kids baking championship and stuff. Oh my goodness, them poor little kids. They got so much pressure on them. You guys watch that show?
I can't believe how well they do, though.
Oh, man, I couldn't do that good under pressure.
I couldn't either.
I can't even do that good not under pressure, let alone what they go through.
Me either.
They had to make 3 different desserts in 2 hours. They had 2, and then they come in with a little kicker, and it had to be peanut butter and jelly dessert.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Some of them look, that means they look good. These kids are so young and so smart. One of them was from Delaware, Ohio, which is about 50,
I think
60
the
miles from here.
oldest one was like 13. The rest of them were 8, 9 years old.
Oh, yeah. No way. I love to watch it, though. And they're not hard on them like they are on some of them other cooking shows.
No.
They kind of...
They encourage them,
Yeah,
which is what you should do for kids.
Exactly. That one kid said he started cooking, baking at 4 years old. I'm like, wow.
Yeah, how do you bake at 4 years old?
And know all the stuff. I never see any recipes, so I don't know if they actually have a recipe laying there or they just do it out of their head.
I don't even know if I had knew my name at 4 years old.
You probably couldn't spell. Bill.
I'm sure I couldn't.
All right, guys, this is going in a 350-degree oven for 50 minutes. And if your top starts to get too brown, just put a little piece of aluminum foil over it to tent it. That way, you know, it still gets done and doesn't get too brown. So we'll be back when it gets done. We'll let you know how long. Hey, guys, we're getting ready to make the icing, or the glaze, for the lemon bread. Starbucks dupe.
Lemon pound cake.
That's it. I have 1 cup of powdered sugar in here. Now, you use more, you use less, whatever you want to use. I've got some lemon extract. We're going to put some of that in there. What are you doing? Showing my jalapeno poppers I made in between getting them ready to go in the oven since this is coming out and we already got the oven on. Might as well use it to make something else.
Having jalapeno poppers and Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday. Bill's like, we gotta have tacos this Tuesday. Fine, we got everything. He picked a tomato out of the tomato patch out there. So we're gonna be all set. We got sour cream, got some lettuce, some onions.
Hot taco shells.
Hot taco shells. We'll put some milk in here. And then from here, you just do however thick you want it. Sometimes you gotta add more milk. It's just a guessing game. Like I said before, it's like mixing concrete.
Kind of like making gravy. You just play with it till you get it where you want it.
Yeah. Get this, and it's been about 35 minutes. I went ahead and put aluminum foil over top of the bread just because it started getting brown around the edges and I don't want to get it too brown, so I put a little aluminum foil just on top of it. All right, what do you guys think? You think it's going to be enough icing for Mr. Smith? Probably not.
Say no, guys.
Say no. Just say no. Well, while I'm at it, I might as well make him more. Because I know. So look at this. Woo! Another heaping half a cup.
Yeah, that'll probably be enough.
Yeah. Now he says, now I will be. We'll probably have to taste it and put some more lemon. You want vanilla in it too?
Well, yeah.
It's supposed to be lemon icing.
Well, it's all right. You're trying to use that up so you can use your new.
It's not ready yet. Look at it. It's only been a month. It was 8/17 or something like that. 8/15 when we made it. He can't wait.
How's it looking? Have you pulled it out? Shook them up?
I shook them up. I shake them up quite a bit. I shook the ones in the other room yesterday. We have them everywhere.
We'll have plenty of vanilla when it's all done.
Might have to give a couple away for Christmas. Can't ship them. The alcohol. All right, let's give this a little taste. See if we got enough lemon in it. I think, but let you taste it because you're the lemon expert. You might want, I think it might need a little bit more since I put extra sugar in it.
No, that's good.
We're good? What?
That's going to be real good, actually.
Look at him. All right, guys, we're going to pause it and waiting for the bread and we'll be back. All right, guys, it was in the oven for 50 minutes exactly. It's still warm. I'm going to cut a piece, put it on my plate and ice it that way. And then when this cools down just a little bit more, I'm going to ice the whole thing. So, look at a spoon. What am I doing? Cut that end piece. I get the end piece. Me and him usually fight over the end pieces of these breads. There's what it looks like.
It looks pretty good.
Nice and steamy. Let's put some of this icing on here. And like I said, when that cools a little bit more and it can stay on there, I don't want it completely cooled, but then we'll put some on the top of that. But
yeah, it's too warm right now.
Let's give this a taste. So good, guys.
You almost did the Billy Wiggle.
Oh, did I do it?
Yeah.
Did I do it? This is so good, guys. If you like lemon, so easy. It's a nice, easy recipe. The time's coming up for have your oven on for a while. Right now it's only 70s here today, so it's not gonna be too bad. If it was 90s, I wouldn't be have my oven on for an hour. So, very good. Although I gotta say, why do cows have hooves and not feet?
Why do cows have hooves and not feet?
Because they lack toes. Thanks, Teresa, for that. Now I'm choking. For that joke. All right, so comment, like, share.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys.